Here are some of the reasons why. I got the Midland ER10VP basic radio. I needed something light and easy to carry, to put in my backpack or on my trunk of my car. This AM FM emergency radio gives me a peace of mind where I get NOAA emergency alert. It's almost 1.5 inches thick, 3 inches tall, and 5 inches long. It has a multifunction flashlight with a nice easy visible display and an extendable antenna. It comes with easy push rubber buttons. The speaker can be loud and can be very clear. It comes with a lanyard. Next to it is a headphone jack. It weighs around 10 ounces and it includes AA batteries. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.